How to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off the annoying feature called auto brightness on your iPhone. So, in order to turn off this feature, what you'll have to do is first of all go to your settings. Now scroll down and then go to the option called accessibility. Now once you've done that, you'll have to simply tap on the option display and text size. Now simply scroll to the bottom side of the screen and then you can see the option auto brightness. So as this option is currently turned on, meaning whenever I am in dim light or in bright light, the brightness will adjust accordingly and it will adjust automatically, which may be annoying for the most of us. So if you simply want to untoggle this feature, untoggle this bar right over here, and once it turns gray, auto brightness feature will be turned off on your iPhone. And now if you want to increase or decrease your brightness, you'll have to do it manually each and every time. So that is basically how you turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.